Why rolling over your 401k to a Gold IRA in 2025 might save your retirement. As we move into 2025, many people are rethinking how they manage their retirement savings. Traditional investments in stocks and bonds are facing increasing volatility, making it crucial to explore safer alternatives. One such option gaining popularity is rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA. This move offers a hedge against economic uncertainty, helping to preserve and potentially grow your retirement funds. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why consider a Gold IRA? In times of economic instability, gold has long been a reliable store of value. Unlike paper assets, gold is not tied to the performance of financial markets and tends to maintain its value when other investments struggle. By rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA, you can protect your savings from inflation, market crashes, and geopolitical tensions, which may erode the value of traditional assets. The benefits of rolling over to a Gold IRA. 1. Hedge against inflation. Gold has a proven track record as a hedge against inflation. As the value of the dollar decreases, gold often increases in value, protecting your purchasing power and ensuring that your retirement savings don't lose value over time. 2. Diversification of assets. A Gold IRA offers a diversification opportunity by adding a non-correlated asset to your retirement portfolio. This reduces the overall risk, especially during periods of stock market downturns. 3. Protection from market volatility. While stock markets can experience sudden drops, gold tends to hold or even increase in value during times of economic instability. This makes it a safer asset to rely on when markets become unpredictable. 4. Tax benefits. Like traditional IRAs, a Gold IRA allows your investments to grow tax-deferred. You will not pay taxes on the appreciation until you begin making withdrawals in retirement, maximizing the potential of your savings. 5. Tangible asset. Unlike digital or paper assets, gold is a physical commodity. This tangibility gives investors confidence in its intrinsic value, particularly when financial markets are under strain. How to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA. 1. Select a custodian. Choose a reputable custodian who specializes in precious metals IRAs to guide you through the rollover process. 2. Open a self-directed IRA. A self-directed IRA is necessary to hold physical gold. Open the account and fund it through a direct rollover from your 401k. 3. Choose your gold. Work with your custodian to select IRS-approved gold coins or bars that meet the required purity standards. 4. Complete the rollover. Your custodian will handle the transfer from your 401k to the Gold IRA, ensuring that the process is tax-efficient and compliant with regulations. In 2025, rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA offers a strategic way to safeguard your retirement funds from unpredictable market forces and inflation. Gold provides long-term stability, diversification, and tax advantages, making it a smart choice for securing your financial future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.